Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. FITUR 2023 opens with a tourism boom expectation. Tourism to return to pre-pandemic levels in some regions in 2023. Government to organize first Global Tourism Summit in April as part of G20. Uttar Pradesh. Protests against proposed corridor around Banke Bihari Temple in Vrindavan intensify. Kerala tourism revamps strategy to woo travelers. Taj Mahal matter. Supreme Court modifies earlier order. Permits increase of air traffic in Agra. Global medical tourism market set to reach $33.60 billion by 2031, with a sustainable CAGR of 29.8%. Growth market reports. Vistara to connect new Goa International Airport with Mumbai and Bengaluru. Direct flights to start from February 14. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.